Hello, Chef here. So a farmer gave me this bag the other day, and you're wondering what's inside there. I'm going to show you. Giant sunflower heads. Wow. I'm going to show you how to process these. Everything eats sunflowers. Critters, birds, all kinds of butterflies, bees, deer, cats, dogs, mice, you name it. Everything likes sunflowers because of the rich seeds and the oil. Follow along. I'm going to show you how to process these babies. First thing you want to do is remove all of these little flowers. Be careful not to remove the seeds. The good part, look at those nice black stripes on them there. You want the flowers off. Okay? Oh, ASMR right there. Yeah, those are some nice looking sunflowers. The biggest one is about 10 pounds plus. Real quickly, I don't know a whole lot about sunflowers, so please chime in down below, drop some comments, and a big shout out. Thank you, farmers, for everything that you do, growing our food, working hard, maintaining the land, and helping the whole economy grow, especially here in the USA, but everywhere around the world. Thank you, farmers, for what you do. Okay, so here I am in one of the workshops on this awesome butcher block. As you notice, the sunflowers have different varieties. They're slightly different. This one's got more black and whites. This is more yellows. However, they're fully developed. These seeds are ready to go. They're just different. So I can pull one out of each and show you. Maybe you can drop a comment and tell me what the difference is. Here you go, 1, 2, 3. I got 3 different. Ooh, this one's challenging me here. All right. All right. I always get it though. Okay, I got 3 different ones here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, these 2 came out. These 3 are different. What are the differences and why? Drop a comment. Educate us. All right, so moving along here. When you process these, you want to use some scissors. Remove the leaves that are not necessary. Get those out of here. And maybe even some of these smaller ones too. Now, real quickly, what am I doing here? A real quick, we call this a noose knot. Don't get the wrong idea. It's just a knot that's going to help secure these babies. Just like this. Up and around. All right. And there we go. That goes around here. Then you can hang it up. Hang it up in your garage or a hot, dry place, a minimum of a week. Keep it away from the critters, and these are going to be some amazing seeds. I'm going to share these seeds with a few people, so drop the right comments and chime in, and let's see who gets some seeds out of this. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. All right, that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'll be back to show you the seeds. Another video. Subscribe right here. Like, share, support your sponsor. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. A little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Mystery oil. You can score this at the sponsor. You just put a little bit on like this. This will restore the butcher block to its original beauty. Wow. Looks really, really nice. And the wood sucking it up. This block has not been oiled in a long, long time. So you can see it's pretty cool looking. I kind of like the character, all the scratches. However, save yourself all that work and time. Contact the sponsor. This is maple with a food safe Varnique finish. This is maple with the mineral oil finish. So this one should be oiled monthly. Put a little oil on there right now. This one is maintenance free. You can see the difference between this oil finish and this oil finish. The main difference is several decades of use versus brand new. Okay? This has been cut on, chopped on, sliced and diced. Butchers have used tons of different knives on this block over many, many decades, and it's still looking good. Of course, the brand new is nice too. So, yeah. Visit your sponsor. Hit them up and they give you quotes, free shipping, and discounts as well. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. yeah. Sourdough bread. Look at that stuff. Nice loaves. Learn more right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. Was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.